Hello everyone, I'm Alisha Prajapati, who is registered as a tutor and a TutorMate. TutorMate is the best platform to student to the learn. Today discussing about the mathematics subject, I am here. So, in primary level and secondary level, students are facing problem to solve the mathematics questions. Some of them have problem solving SIR, some of them have problem solving HCF LCM, some of them have problem solving algebraic expression etc. Among the many problems, simplifications is the one. So discussing about some basic concept of the simplification and with some questions and answer, I like to continue this video. So let's get started. Simplification. Here I have prepared this what does the simplifications means and some basic rules of the simplifications. So let's get started. In a general meaning or a simple meaning, simplifications means the process of making something simpler or the easier to do or understand. But in mathematics, simplifications is the process of replacing a mathematical expressions by an equivalent one that is simpler, usually shorter. For example, simplifications of a fraction, simplifications of an algebraic expression in a computer algebra, simplifications by the conjunction elimination in inference in a logical yield as a simpler but generally non-equivalent formula. So this is the meaning of the simplification. So just to understand in a simple word, simplifications means to get the shorter value of something. So today let's do with the simplifications of a fraction. Simplifications of a fractions means to simplify a complicated mathematical expression to get the single or the direct answer. The basic rule, or there is only one rule for the simplification, that is a BODMAS rule. BODMAS rules means here every word contains its own meaning. So here B stands for the bracket, O stands for the off, D stands for the division, M stands for the multiplications, A stands for the additions, and S stands for the subtractions. So first of all, we should take the bracket first, and the second step is that to do multiplications, that is off, and the third step is the division, fourth step is the multiplications, fifth step is additions, and sixth step is the subtraction. Here bracket, what types of bracket and in which order we should follow, that is bracket. There are three types of a bracket. They are big bracket, curly bracket, and a small bracket. Big bracket is in shape of the square type. Curly bracket is of this type and a small bracket is of this type. So in order to solve the questions, first of all we should take the small bracket, curly bracket, and big bracket, and then second step is off, which means multiplications, but it is done before the division. Then third is a division, fourth is a multiplications, fifth is additions, and sixth is subtraction. So this much is the basic concept and the meaning of the simplifications. Now let's go through some questions for the further clearing. So these are the some questions for the simplifications. There are 6 questions. During these 6 questions, I think all concept will be clear. So let's get started with the question. In the question number 1, the question is bracket 30 minus 12 bracket close into 20 divided by 10 bracket close. So let's solve it. Answers. Question number 1. 30 bracket 30 minus 12 bracket close into 20 divided by 10. Using the BODMAS rule, first of all we should solve the bracket, then off, then division, then multiplications, then addition. So solving bracket first. 30 minus 12 into 20 divided by 10 means 2. Solving next bracket. 30 minus 12 means 18. into 2. Now multiplication, doing multiplications, 18 2s are 36. This is the answer of it. Now question number 2. 21 minus 12 divided by 3 into 2. In this question there is no any bracket, no any off, so using the BODMAS rule, remembering the BODMAS rule, what we have read is that BODMAS rule, that is, first step is solving the bracket, second step is solving off, and third step is division. So in this questions there is a division. We should start with the division first. So 21 minus 12 divided by 3, that means 4, into 2. Now multiplication, 4 2s are 8. 21 minus 8. Now there is no addition, so finally going with the subtraction. 21 minus 8 means 13. Now solving the question number 3. Question number 3 says that 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 3. In this questions also there is no any bracket, no any off, so starting with the division first. 8 divided by 4, what it comes? 16 plus 8 divided by 4, that means 4 2s are 8, minus 2 into 3. Now second step is multiplication. 16 plus 2 minus 2 3s are 6 equals to, so now there is addition, so 16 plus 2, that means 18, minus 6. 18 minus 16, that means 18 minus 16, that means 12. So this is the answer of it. So these 3 questions are the very simple and easiest one. I think it is quite clear about these 3 questions. Now going through the next question, that is question number 4. Going through next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 says that 45 minus big bracket 38 minus curly bracket 60 divided by 3 minus small bracket 6 minus 9 divided by 3 small bracket close divided by 3 curly bracket close big bracket. So in these questions there are 3 types of bracket. Also there is also division, there is also multiplications, and there is also additions and subtractions. So using the BODMAS rule, remembering and using the BODMAS rule, first of all we should solve the bracket. In these questions there are 3 bracket. Now first of all we should solve with the small bracket. 38 minus curly bracket 60 divided by 3 minus, in this question there in small bracket there is minus and division first. First of all we should use division, we should do divide, then on the subtraction. So 6 minus 9 divided by 3, that means 3 3s are 9, small bracket close divided by 3 curly bracket close, curly bracket open, big bracket close. 45 minus big bracket 38 minus 6 curly bracket 60 divided by 3 minus, now 6 minus 3, that means 3. Now here small bracket is ended here now, and then divided by 3 big curly bracket close, big bracket close. 45 minus big bracket 38 minus, now solving this curly bracket. First of all we should divide. 60 divided by 3, that means 20, minus 3 divided by 3, that means 1, bracket close, big bracket close. 45 minus 38 minus, now solving the curly bracket. 20 minus 1, that means 19. After that curly bracket is also ended. Now closing the big bracket. 45 minus the 38 minus 19, that means 45 minus 19, that means 38 minus 19, that means 19, and 45 minus 19, that means 26. Then 26 is the final answer of this. So this question is quite complicated one, but it is easy if we know the BODMAS rule. So let's go with the next question now. Question number 5. Question number 5. 8 plus 8 of 8 divided by 3 minus 3 by 4. So in this questions there is no bracket, but there is a of. So first step is to solve from the of. 8 plus 8, of means the multiplications. Let's give the sign. 8 into 8 divided by 3 minus 34 divided by 5. 8 plus 8. So solving this, 8 8 is 64 divided by 3 minus 34 by 5. Here there is a 2 division. First of all we should solve this, then only this. 64 divided by 3, that means 64 divided by 3. 64 divided by 3, that means 21.3 minus 34 divided by 5, that means 6.8. Now we should add 8 plus 21.3 means 8 plus 21.3 equals to, that means 29.3 minus 6.8 equals to 6.8, that is 22.5. This is the final answer of 8. So these are the questions of the simplifications. Now the last questions is left. Last questions is a bit tricky. Let's not say tricky, a bit new one, and there is a one extra logic and concept. So let's get started with the question number 6. First of all, let's see what the question says. 18 minus big bracket 6 minus curly bracket 4 minus small bracket 8 minus small bracket 6 plus 3 bar, small bracket close, again small bracket close, then curly bracket close, then big bracket close. In question number 6, what does this bar means? This means in mathematics, above vertical line means above vertical line represent bar. It is also known as vinculum. It means it is a horizontal line used in mathematical notation for a specific purpose to indicate that letter or expression is grouped together. Before using bracket, the bar should we solve So as we read on the BODMAS rule, first step is to solve the bracket, and second step is to solve the off, third step is solve the division, fourth step is multiplications, fifth is addition, and sixth is sixth is subtraction. But in these questions there is a bar, so there is a expectation. In these questions there is a bar, so first of all we should solve the bar, then only the brackets should be used according to the rule. So let's go through the question. 18 minus big bracket 6 minus curly bracket 4 minus 8 minus small bracket 6 plus 3 bar means 6 plus 3 bar should be solved first. 6 plus 3 bar should be solved first. So 6 plus 3 equals to, that is 9. Bracket close, small bracket close, curly bracket close, then big bracket close. 18 minus 6 minus curly bracket 4 minus 8 minus 9, that means minus 1. Small bracket close, curly bracket close, big bracket close. Now solving small bracket, then curly bracket, then big bracket. 18 minus big bracket 6 minus curly bracket 4 minus plus 1, curly bracket close, big bracket close. 18 minus big bracket 6 minus 4 plus 1, that means 5, big bracket close. 18 minus 6 minus 5, that is plus 1, big bracket close. 18 minus 1, that is 17. This is the final answer. Nothing is difficult here, just it is a different that bar should be solved first before the bracket. In any questions, if there is symbol like this should be solved first, and following remaining step is the same. Hope all of you are clear about the simplification. Hope all of you are clear about the BODMAS rule and simplifications. So thank you for watching this video, and further if you want to pursue with me, you can go on the TutorMate page and follow me as a tutor. Thank you and have a wonderful day.